G'day, folks. This is your real estate housing market review for the Kootenays for October of 2025. The Kootenays is a little bit of an anomaly. It has fared very well in this correction. If you look at the absorption here, yes, it did get down. We actually had a single digit here, but most of these months are either well into the center and hovering around the center of that balanced market range between 12 and 20%, or it's in some areas we've got it over 20%. We've got 22, 21, 20, and then it started to come down a little bit more, which it does in that part of the year. In every year, it starts to drop as we get into the fall and the winter months. But then all of a sudden we've got this 22.42% in October of 2025. And it's fairly consistent throughout other zones in British Columbia, especially in the interior, that we've seen this little jump in a month when it's supposed to be inching down. The trend line is inching down this time of year. So our sales in October of 2025 was 167. Last year, where is it? There, 113. So it's up substantially from last year. The year before, 108. And again, this year is up substantially from the last 2 years' sales. Prices are basically stable. If we take an average here of housing prices from January to October, look over this little tiny figure over here, $614,000. And then we take the same monthly period from January to October, $617,000. So basically flat. But flat also means stable. So I think, as I've mentioned, it's a bit of a broken record, but going into the last couple of months of 2025, and then as we get into 2026, you're going to see a more stabilized, a little bit more positive market. Either, the Kootenays will probably jump up into that by the seller's range of the market, where you get that absorption of up over 20%. 2026 will be a better market than 2027, especially if they bring those interest rates down 1.25%. So that's your market review for the Kootenays for October of 2025.